If you learn these 25 English sentences, you can speak in almost any daily situation. Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn 25 English sentences that people use every day. Repeat after me and try to use them in real life. Part 1 Daily English. Repeat after me. How are you doing? How are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. That sounds great. That sounds great. No worries. No worries. I totally agree. I totally agree. That makes sense. That makes sense. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Pause the video and repeat the sentences. Part 2 Real Conversations. Long time no see. Long time no see. What do you mean? What do you mean? Are you serious? Are you serious? That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me think. Let me think. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. See you soon. See you soon. Take care. Take care. Which sentence do you like the most? Write it in the comments. Quick challenge. What does this sentence mean? I'm on my way. It means, I'm coming now. Part 3 Useful Daily Sentences. Can you help me? Can you help me? I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll try that. I'll try that. That's exactly what I needed. That's exactly what I needed. Great job! Now you know many sentences used in daily English. If you want part 2 with more useful sentences, write part 2 in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.